just saw that New York State just got like 100 or something centimeters of snow.
5 inches of snow. You can see Perrysburg.
It's kind of crazy that they're down south of us in Montreal and they get more snow. Back in the days, it wasn't really like this, I feel like. Now we're in December, like 1st of December, I think. And we don't even have snow on the ground. We might have some this week, it says. Like a centimeter or something, which is like not even an inch. So it's like, it's crazy that I know that they said like in Buffalo they're supposed to have like a football game for the Buffalo. I think they're called the Bills, Buffalo Bills. The stadium was full of snow and kind of crazy. What I remember when I was young, it was like in December we had plenty of snow to make like little forts outside with snow and stuff and play in snow. But now it's like in December you can't really do anything with snow. It's fucking crazy how that changed. Because we're up north, even here north of Montreal, where like there is Saint-Sauveur, Saint-Jérôme, all these cities north of Montreal, they still don't have any snow accumulated on the ground. And here we had like one little snowfall that was like barely a centimeters, I think, and it instantly melted. So I just find it really interesting how it changed, and I would be curious to see or know what it was like before in the state of New York, if it was like that before. I know they always had like big batches of snow like that, but maybe not as much as 100 centimeters, which is like, I think it would be like, I think it would be like more than 3 feet of snow. Like 110 centimeters is a lot. It's like your car is buried in snow. Like, it's kind of crazy. I'll try to show pictures in the video. I'll try to find pictures of the snowfall, because I've seen some on the news. They've been talking about it here in Montreal, but it really changed. That's all I wanted to say. And I just find it funny that here we just started having minuses temperatures. The week before it was all like plus 5 degrees, 6 degrees. But right now it's -1 Celsius. So yeah, we also during the winter we also have more episodes of freezing rain, warmer climates at times. Like it gets really cold and then it warms up for like 2 or 3 days with like 10 degrees in December or like January random. Like we didn't have this before. Having snow melt during the harder season of winter wasn't really a thing before, but now it's a lot more frequent. that has changed also. It's not only the start of the season, but during the season also is different. So I was searching for the word freezing rain earlier, because there's a lot more of this since it gets warmer. Still have precipitation, but it's just that it's a bit warmer, so it makes it a lot of times into freezing rain. Hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you think, and if you're from that part of the States, let me know if it was always like that or if it changed also for you. Peace.